This is the final result of this tutorial. It's a fully working website. It has a homepage, an about us, classes, blog, contact us with a contact form. So I'm going to show you step by step how to set everything up. And I'm going to show you the fastest and cheapest possible way to do it. If you have any questions, you can post them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. Okay, so to have a website like this, you need two things. You need a domain, which is mykindergarten.com or something like that. And that usually costs about $10 a year. And you need the host, which will have different prices, but I'm going to show you the cheapest host you can find. So yeah. Okay, so to be completely transparent with you guys, I am affiliated with two popular hosting providers. One is hosting.com and the second one is hostinger.com. There's links to both of them in the description. If you use my links to make a purchase, it basically gives me a small commission and it helps me continue making these videos. If you don't want to use the affiliate links, you can just go directly to the websites and that's totally fine. So at the time I'm making this video, hosting has a deal that starts at $199 and Hostinger starts at $299 a month. Hosting has a better 1-year option. It totals to $24 and that includes the domain for the first year. Okay, so let's just go with 1 year and then server location. Just pick the closest location to your users. I'm gonna go with Germany because I'm in Europe, and then register a new domain. Let's just go with myawesomebusinessllc.com. Let's see if that's available. It is. Add to basket. Okay, great. Confirm and proceed. Okay, now for some reason they make you buy the domain for 2 years, but we can change that. Just click on edit and then switch from 2 years to 1 year, and that makes it free. Confirm and proceed. Okay, great. So now that totals to $24. Let's proceed to checkout. Okay, continue. Okay, let's add our billing. Okay, great. Order complete. And now we can just go and set up our website. Okay, so let's go to all products and then log into control panel. Okay, now let's scroll down and find WordPress Manager. Click install. And then set the protocol to HTTPS and the directory should be empty. Now give your site a name and a description and uncheck all these plugins. We're not going to use them. Now set an admin account, so set the username, the password, and add an email and just install. Okay, now if you're using Hostinger to install WordPress, just go to your dashboard, click create, then set business, pick WordPress, select language, email, and password. Uncheck all these plugins, skip the AI, and now if we go and take a look at our website, we should be looking at a fresh WordPress installation. And now we can add /admin at the end of our URL and just log in. Okay, now let's go to appearance, themes, add theme, and search for Bosa Kindergarten. And let's install this theme. Okay, now let's activate it. Now click get started. Okay, so now let's dismiss all these plugins, all these notifications, sorry, not plugins. And now scroll down and click import and then select yes. Okay, so now let's take a look at what we have. Okay, so we have a fully working website. There's a homepage with all these sections, about us, looks great, classes, okay, blog, and contact us. Awesome. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start customizing things. So let's start with the header, the top part. So to change the logo, for example, go to customize and then go to site settings as soon as it loads, site identity, and change logo, upload files, and add your logo. Now, if you don't have a logo, you can go to Canva and search for kindergarten logo. Yeah. And okay, daycare. Yeah, something like this. Find the template that looks nice and just add your company name. Change some colors and export it, and then just add it back in WordPress and it should be fine. Okay, so that's how you change the logo. Now let's focus on the rest of the header. So you have the contact details. To change those, go to header, okay, style, and then scroll down and you have the phone number, the email, and the address right here at the top. Here's how you change them. Just add, replace the text. you have this menu, this button. If you want to hide it, just toggle this option, disable header button. If you want to change the link or change the text, expand button. You can also change the style. So book a visit, you can rename that to whatever you want, and link. So we're gonna link this button to the contact page. So to do that, we're gonna go to contact us, copy the link, and then paste it right here, and then publish, and that's gonna update the page. So now if we refresh the page and click book a visit, it's gonna link to contact us. Okay, open link in a new window. We don't want that. Okay, so that's how you change those things. Now let's say you want to change the social media links or remove some of them. Go back, and you have social media elements, and here's your links. Expand this list, and you can either remove them, so you have remove at the bottom, or you can add the link right here. So replace this with the link, and once you're done, just update, and that should be fine. The social links from the header also update in the footer. Okay, never mind, there's no social links in the footer. But yeah, that's how you set the social links at the top. Now we're left with the menu. So to make changes to the menu, click the edit icon, then go back, header menu. Let's say you want to remove the block, just expand block and click remove, and that should be it. We're gonna keep it. But yeah, that's how you do it. If you want to reorder things, just drag and drop. If you want to add new items, just click add and just add a new link. But yeah, that's how you customize it. Now let's take a look at the footer. Same exact way, just click on the edit icon, go back and footer menu, and just change the links or adjust the links, expand them, change the URL, the label, and it's going to get updated. Same with the text, so just click edit the text. If you want to add new components in the column, just click on this plus button and browse, and just pick one of these components, and it's going to get added. If you want to change these links, same exact way as the menu. Contact details, yeah, the same exact thing. The logo is going to get updated when you update the one in the header. So that's how you make changes to the header and the footer. Now let's take a look at the actual page content. So we're done with the header and the footer. We're ready to customize the actual pages. So click edit with Elementor. Okay, so now to make changes, it is really simple. All you have to do is just click on this edit button, and on the left side you have all the settings you need. If you want to change the text, just change it, go to subtitle, title. If you want to change the style, expand, go to style and expand these tabs. You have colors, you have custom, if you want to change the colors, if you want to add padding, if you want to add any kind of style. Now let's say you want to replace this image, click on it, and then you have choose image, click on that and upload your own image, and it will get replaced. Let's say you want to remove these buttons, right click, delete, and they're gone. If you want to undo something, hit Control or Command Z, and any change will get undone. I don't know if that's right or not. But yeah, that's how you change. If you want to change the link, click on the edit or just the component, and you have the link on the left side. Just paste your link right there. Let's say you want to remove one column, right click, delete, and it's going to get removed. It's really simple. Just go through the page and add your own images, add your own content, change the link. So link this to contact us right here, paste the link, and that should work. Maybe you don't have more classes, you can remove this button. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you make any kind of change. This is the blog section, so maybe you don't want the blog, just remove the blog, click on the X, and it's gone. I'm gonna keep it, so just undo. Okay, so on this blog, the way it works is, so let's go to the home page, and now let's go to dashboard, and you have posts. Okay, I don't know why these banners keep appearing. These are the posts that will appear on the blog page and on the blog section right here on the home page. If you want to remove them, just click on trash and they will get removed. If you want to create a new post, just click add post and add your own title, content, and hit publish, and it will appear on those sections. So that's how they work. Okay, I'm gonna keep them, they're fine. So at this point, you're probably done with the homepage. Now let's move on to About Us. It's going to work the same exact way. Just click Edit with Elementor. And yeah, just add your own content. Change the text, change the icons, change the colors. icon library. You can change the icons, you can do whatever you want, and then just keep going. And once you're done, hit publish, and that's going to update the page. Same with classes, same exact thing. Blog. So the blog, like I said, works. It picks up the blog posts from that dashboard. If you want to change this sidebar, you can go to customize and find widgets. Okay, right sidebar, and here you have your sidebar, so you can remove things. You have recent comments, maybe you don't want those, so just click on the three dots and remove, and then update, and that's pretty much it. Now the last thing we're going to do is go to contact us and fix the contact form. So click edit with Elementor, okay, and just click on this error, and yeah, select form on the left side, pick your form, and yeah, just update, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So at this point, you have a fully working website. Everything is set up. It is live. It's accessible on every device. Yeah, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it.